This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about chip and dip platters, specifically this aperitivo round natural acacia wood chip and dip plate. As you can see, it has 6 wedge-shaped compartments and then a central one that contains a really nice snugly fitted porcelain bowl. It's 12 inches in diameter and 1.5 inches in height, and one thing I really love about it is it's got a nice little lazy Susan on the bottom, so it's really easy for your guests to turn and grab that snack that they want. The acacia wood it's made from is both durable and beautiful, making this a stylish serving piece for just about any occasion. It comes with that 4-ounce porcelain bowl that fits in that middle compartment, and it's a really nice snug fit down in there, so it's going to be great for dips, sauces, or other things, and also easy to pop out when you need to give it a wash. It's got really simple lines and a nice lovely contrast of that wood against that super white porcelain. So it's a nice little juxtaposition of that bright, clean white color against those warm wood tones that just really gives it a nice, lovely appearance and a really nice, clean presentation. It's perfect for serving snacks, chips with dip, separating displays of various finger foods, appetizers, putting out snack mixes, crackers, cheese, or even crudité. So it's a really useful little piece to have. It's built to withstand constant use and really maintain its appearance. So it's perfect for use at catered events and parties, for use on buffets, or just at your next party at home.